Hello everybody, welcome to Physics Mini Lectures. This time we're going to talk about vector addition. So let's start. Okay, given two vectors, A and B, first of all, we should to see how many components each vector has. In this case, vector A and B has n components. The number of components are named dimension. To add two vectors is mandatory. Both vectors have the same dimension. In other case, we can't. When we add two vectors, we obtain a new vector named resultant vector. To obtain this vector, resultant vector, we add the corresponding components the initial vector, namely A1 first component, B1 first component here. We obtain the first component in the resultant vector, and the second component plus second component here, we obtain the second component in the resultant vector, and so on. Here we have an example, vector f and vector g. Vector f has three components, and vector g has three components. So each vector has dimension 3. In this case, we can add these vectors. To obtain the first component, here we add each first component in these vectors, in this case 4 plus 6, to obtain 10 in the first component in the resultant vector. And the second component, we obtain the second component in the resultant vector. And third component, A plus -5, we obtain 3. And that was the third component in the resultant vector. At the end, we obtain the resultant vector with 3 components, so its dimension is 3. Okay, I hope you had improved your knowledge. I'll see you in the next Physics Mini Lectures. Bye for now.